Yesterday we learned about clocks and about hours, and today we're going to learn about quarter hours. But first I'd like to review a little of what we did last time. Now, who remembers what the two kinds of clocks are called? Hannah?
Is it analog and digital?
Yes, that is correct. Okay, now what kind of clock is this? Correct. And everybody, what kind of clock is this? Yes, that is correct. Okay, and everybody remembered, do you all remember? What's this hand? I'm sorry. The smartphone doesn't seem to be working very well. Anyway, what does the small hand mean? Yes? No, the small hand means hours. And so the big hand is minutes. Okay.
I get those mixed up sometimes.
Yes, it's hard sometimes. They're not marked. You just have to remember. The big hand is minutes. It moves more. Okay, can everybody stand up? We're going to stretch a little. I'd like you to pretend that there's a clock behind you, like this clock, with the numbers behind you. And I'd like you to stretch out your arms to show 12 o'clock. And 6 o'clock. And back to 12 o'clock. Okay. Now you can sit down. We've stretched our arms a little. And I'm going to tell you about quarter hours. All right. A clock can be split into 4 quarters. See? You could draw imaginary lines across like this. And so, since there's 60 minutes in an hour, each quarter equals 15 minutes. So when the little hand, the big hand is pointing to the 3, then it means 15 minutes. When the big hand points to the 6, that's 30 minutes. And when the big hand points to the 9, that's 45 minutes. And there's another way to say this. Okay, you see these? These are vocabulary. Like if I say 6:15 or 6:30 or 6:45, there's another way to say those. A quarter past is the same, you can say 6:15 in another way. You can guess how I would say that using the words a quarter past. Ready? No? Okay. It would be a quarter past 6 because it's 15 minutes after 6. In the same way, we have 6:30 and that would be 6. Very good. A quarter, the 45 mark is a little different because it's closer to the next hour. We say, once we say 6:45 like that, we say a quarter till 7. So because it's closer to being 7 than it is to being 6. Okay, I'd like you guys to pull out the clocks I gave you. And I'm going to give you a couple of times based on these, and I would like you to put your clocks at that time. Okay, how about a quarter past 8? If you have any trouble working your clock, you can raise your hand. It's a little confusing sometimes. Now raise them up so I can see them. Very good. A quarter past 8 is the same to teach you how to do word problems with them. Now, I'm going to show you the steps over on the whiteboard. Okay, you see the problem. Vivian gets to stay up an extra half hour tonight. Her normal bedtime is 8:45. What time does she get to go to bed tonight? And so, we start with the time that we're giving. 8:45 would be 8:45. And then, she's getting to stay up an extra half hour. If it's an extra, that means that we're adding a half hour to this. And the half hour is 30 minutes. Okay. So, 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 4 plus 3 is 7. But since an hour only has 60 minutes, then the number here can only be up to a 6. So we would write a 6 and then carry a 1. And then add 1 to 8. And we'd get 9. And we turn the 6 into a 0, like it's a 10. I'm sorry, we would put a 1 there because we would get to 6 and add another 1 to 1. Okay, I'm sorry. My tip was a little off there. And so she gets to go to bed at 9:15. Okay, do we have any questions about that, Melissa?
Why does she have to go to bed so early?
Because she's little.
Okay.
She's very young. She's only 6 years old. Okay, I'm going to have you guys help me with this next problem, and then I'll show you one that's a little different. Okay, so Danielle has a dentist's appointment at 1:45. It takes her mother 15 minutes to drive there. When do they have to leave? Okay, what's the first thing I should write down?
1:45.
Very good. And what time is 1:45? Yes. So, 1:45. Now, since it's taking her mother 15 minutes to drive there, would that be adding or subtracting? Very good. So we would subtract 15 minutes. Okay. And 5 minus 5 is 0. And then we have 4 minus 1. So we get the final time of 1:30. To get to the dentist on time, they have to leave at 1:30. Now this last problem is a little bit different and it can be kind of tricky. Okay. Bobby had to clean his room. If he started at 4:15 and finished at 5 o'clock, how long did he take? And it's different because you have 2 times. We have 5 o'clock and 4:30, and we have to figure out the difference between them. O'clock and 4:30. Okay, and since there's both zeros in here, we have to carry this over. But since it's can work on those worksheets. If you need any help, just raise your hand. You guys are doing really well. Yes, you may use your little clocks to help you if you need it.
Miss Amanda,
Yes, listen.
for the clocks, the big can, is that for the minutes or the hours?
The big hand is the minutes,
You
because
sure?
the big hand moves more.
Okay, so is that right?
Yes, yes it is. Very good, Lisa. How's everybody doing? Very good. Have you gotten the work problems in the back? Oh yes, there are 2 pages to this. Oh no. You're done. I'll take them. Very good. We only have a couple more minutes to finish them. If you don't get done, that's okay. I'll have you take him home for homework.
So I didn't.
Okay, that's it for today. Now remember, on Friday, we're going to make a schedule.